Welcome to Buena Ventura Life, and it's time to give Sisu a little love. Well-deserved love, too. Okay, folks. I didn't get to video any of the proceedings before this point, but this is just a little teaser. Something that's going to happen soon. Oh. Whew. Hot in there. Okay. For the last week, I've been working, negotiating, trying to find something. And it's, oops, what am I doing? Let's do this. Let's look at the bay. Way down there at the end is the bay. It's actually a half mile. For the last week, I've been working with a small shop over on Kent Island. Actually, they're off Kent Island. They're over on the main, on Delmarva. They had a Catalina 30, which they were breaking, and had a lot of parts that they needed to sell. We were negotiating on the engine, and deal, folks. One Catalina M25 XP engine. Some of it looks a little scrudgy, like it sat in the water in the bilge, but my engine on Sisu is hard seized, and this isn't, or it's not supposed to be. It supposedly turned. I didn't get a chance to do that, but it turns. Valve covers somewhere else. Injector lines, there's one here. I have one. I don't know where the others are, but we'll work on that. I've got injector lines on Sisu. There's a interesting mod here for the alternator. The original alternator was kind of sloppy, so we have that. Injector pump was above water. Looks like they replaced the water pump at least once. That's a new gasket in there. That's supposed to be a motor mount. And they even tossed in the transmission. There's the larger heat exchanger back here. The original ones are smaller. They're really small. Overall, engine. There it is, XP. I don't know what serial number is, but it's on there somewhere. This is a D950 block. It's down there somewhere. Down in here is where the block number is. The one in Sisu is a M25, which is the D850 block. Solid engines, Kubota. Parts are all over the place, easy to get to. Heck, even the fan, the drive belt is nice looking. So what I will be doing is getting this out of here probably next week. I've put the cherry picker together, take this out, hang it on the engine stand. I suppose what I'm going to end up doing is rebuilding the transmission. Looks like a lot of PB blaster, Croyle if I can find some. yeah, generally just a lot of fun. And for those wondering, no, this is not a mystery. I've done engines, many engines, so that's not an issue to me. It's just a surprise that I got an engine in the first place. So, yeah. Project for the fall will be replacing the engine on Sisu with this one. Yeah, I'm going to break this down completely. I'm going to tear it down. It needs new, I'm going to put in new sleeves and pistons and rings and bearings and all that stuff. That's a given. I don't know how many hours are on this. I don't know anything except it's been used. So there you go. How about that? You have my engine. Looks like it creeped forward on me too. I've got a pan underneath. Down underneath all the tarp is a pan, so that anything that drips is contained inside anyway. Yeah, there you go. Looking forward. Got enough off this. The boat was pretty much done, and I couldn't get the muffler out of it, so that's still an issue for Sisu. There you go. One little Kubota diesel engine. Hey, this is the same thing they used in the Bobcats, so it's not a little thing. It's important to know that this has been used in millions of vehicles or millions of things. And I guess that's it.